Dear learners, welcome to NIOS. Now we are moving to our next part of the lesson number 10, that is meaning and concept of nutrition. Learners, the food which we eat make us fit and healthy. Whatever we eat is undergoes through different processes. The science where we study about food and its uses by our body is called nutrition. Nutrition includes food intake, digestion, absorption, assimilation and excretion of waste. Basically in nutrition, the interaction of nutrients and other substances present in the food is take place, which helps in the maintenance, growth, reproduction and health of an individual. So learners, you can say nutrition is a science where the process of food intake and utilization of it by our body is studied. Learners, we have learned that food nourishes our body and also helps in its proper growth and functioning. This growth and nourishment happens due to a small unit called nutrients, which are available in the food. The nutrients are molecular substance in the food that are living organisms need to survive, grow and reproduce. Nutrients are digested and then broken down into basic parts to be used by the living organisms. Let us study about the type of nutrients. These are the type of nutrients. Learners, you know the food we eat yield hundreds of nutrients and these are grouped into two types, namely macronutrients and micronutrients. Both are equally contribute for better health. Each nutrient has a different important role in our body. Let us discuss in details about the nutrients. Macronutrients. Macronutrients are our main source of energy. They are available in big amount in the food and are also needed by body. Macronutrients, carbohydrates, protein and fats. First we study about carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are available in a variety of foods. Carbohydrates are treated as a body's major source of energy and its unit of measurement is kilocalories. Wheat, rice, bajra, maize, pulse, rajma, chana, potatoes, sweet potatoes, sugar, jaggery, etc. are rich source of carbohydrates. We should need to have about 45 to 65% of total calories in the form of carbohydrates. These are the examples of carbohydrates. Now, fats. Most of the people think fat is bad for our health, but do you know it is actually a key nutrient and very essential component of healthy diet. Fat acts as an insulator for our body and allowing us to maintain our body temperature. Fat helps us to protect our internal organs by acting as a cushion to the organs. The fat seems to be important, but more than required quantity of it is bad for our health. The fats are composed of fatty acids and its nature depends on the type of fatty acids. There are two types of fatty acids, one is saturated and the second one is unsaturated. Solid fats comprises saturated fatty acids. Unsaturated fatty acids are found in more oil like products. It is recommended to take 20 to 35% of calories through fats. Now we are going to discuss about proteins. Proteins helps to build, maintain and repair the muscles and other body tissues. Proteins are composed of amino acids, which is the smaller units. This amino acid is classified into the essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids and their count is altogether 22, although among which 8 amino acids which our body cannot yield is known as essential amino acids and it should be provided through the food. Rest of the 14 which our body produces are known as non-essential amino acids. All dairy products, poultry, meat, fish, egg, pulses, cereals, soybean, nuts and oil seeds, ground nuts, etc. are rich source of protein. These are the examples of protein. Now we are going to discuss about micronutrients. Apart from the carbohydrates, protein and fats, other important nutrients which we get from foods comprises vitamins and minerals is called micronutrients. These micronutrients are needed in very small amount. Both macro and micronutrients are essential, but if we are not taking these micronutrients in required amount, it may cause deficiency diseases. Micronutrients. First, we will discuss about vitamins. Vitamins are present in our body in very small quantity. However, vitamins play significant roles in different chemical processes occurred in the body. Vitamins are responsible for metabolism, of the carbohydrate, protein and fats. There are total 13 vitamins categorized into two types. First one is fat soluble vitamins, includes vitamins A, D, E and K. By the name you can understand these vitamins need fat to be absorbed. Next, the water soluble vitamins includes vitamin C and B vitamins. Vitamin B further includes vitamin B6, vitamin B12, thiamine, niacin, folic acid, riboflavin, potato-theanine acid and biotin. These vitamins need water to dissolve before entering in our body. Minerals. Minerals are also important like vitamins. They comprise a small quantity of total body tissue. These are required for lots of vigorous processes in the body as well as for proper growth and development of the body. Minerals can be divided into two categories based on the body's need. A body demands the major minerals such as calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, phosphorus, sulfur and chloride in larger quantities. On the other hand, the traces minerals are iodine, copper, fluoride, zinc, iron, chromium, selenium and magnesium, while are required in a smaller quantity. There are about 90 minerals needed by the body in different quantities. These are the examples of minerals. Last, one of the important component of nutrients is water. Water is known for quenching our thirst, but it is something more than that. The water is major nutritional component. About 2/3 of our weight is water. It is available in all the cells. Water helps to regulate our body temperature and it also lubricate the joints and protect the organs and tissues from the shocks. Water also helps in digestion, absorption and act as a carrier to transport of important substance. For example, oxygen in the whole body. On a regular basis, we need to have 6 to 8 glasses of water per day. Learners, after studying nutrition and nutrients, you may be able to understand the importance of each nutrient. In the next section, we will discuss about the balanced diet. As far as balanced diet is concerned, the appropriate diet structure depends on the individual and one's activity level. In fact, the criteria to determine the proper nutritional blend required by an individual is based on their age, gender, weight, height and type of activity and level. The nutritional requirement of an adult is different from an infant. An infant needs more protein as compared to an adult. In the same manner, nutritional requirement of a female is different from the male due to their physiological functioning. Each and every factor is important while deciding nutritional requirement for an individual. Hence, the balanced diet could be the composition of appropriate variety of adequate quantity of foods as well as drinks. Balanced diet provides nutrition and energy for the maintenance of body organs and it also helps in normal growth and development of individuals. A balanced diet is the foods and drinks which contains the appropriate blend of all nutrients required for normal growth and function of an individual. This is the examples of a balanced diet. Dear learners, in this section we have learned about the nutrition, nutrients and balanced diet. Thank you.